For years, Tesla has dominated the electric vehicle conversation. Under Elon Musk's leadership, the company transformed EVs from niche products into mainstream vehicles, while becoming one of the world's most valuable automakers. But the market is changing rapidly. Competition is intensifying, prices are falling, and nearly every major automaker now offers electric vehicles. That has led to countless headlines claiming that Tesla is in big trouble, or that Elon Musk's worst nightmare has arrived. The reality is more nuanced. Tesla certainly faces greater challenges today than it did several years ago, but it also remains one of the world's largest EV manufacturers, with industry-leading software, charging infrastructure, and strong profitability compared with many EV startups. Here's what is actually happening, and why the next few years could be Tesla's most competitive era yet. Tesla is no longer the only EV leader. When the Model S launched more than a decade ago, Tesla had very few direct competitors. Today, the landscape looks completely different. Traditional automakers including Ford, General Motors, Hyundai, Kia, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen Group, and Toyota have invested tens of billions of dollars into electrification. Meanwhile, Chinese manufacturers such as BYD, Geely, XPeng, NIO, Li Auto, and Xiaomi continue expanding rapidly in both China and international markets. Consumers now have far more choices across nearly every price segment, from affordable compact EVs to luxury SUVs and high-performance sedans. This growing competition means Tesla must fight much harder for every sale than it did just a few years ago. BYD has become Tesla's biggest global rival. Among all competitors, China's BYD has emerged as Tesla's strongest challenger. BYD has become one of the world's largest manufacturers of plug-in vehicles, thanks to its vertically integrated business model. The company produces many of its own batteries, electric motors, semiconductors, and other key components, helping control production costs. Unlike Tesla, BYD sells a broad lineup ranging from affordable city cars to premium SUVs and luxury vehicles under brands including Denza, Fangchengbao, and Yangwang. While Tesla remains extremely competitive in battery electric vehicles, BYD's rapid global expansion has changed the industry's competitive landscape. Price wars have reduced profit margins. One of Tesla's biggest strategic moves has been aggressive price reductions. Beginning in 2023, Tesla repeatedly lowered prices across many markets to stimulate demand and defend market share. Several competitors responded with discounts of their own, creating an industry-wide price war. Lower prices helped keep Tesla's vehicles competitive, but also reduced automotive profit margins compared with earlier years. For investors, this became an important shift. Tesla was once known for industry-leading automotive margins, but maintaining those margins has become increasingly difficult as competition grows. Chinese manufacturers continue expanding. Chinese EV companies are no longer focused only on their domestic market. Manufacturers are steadily increasing exports into Europe, Southeast Asia, Australia, South America, and selected Middle Eastern markets. Many of these vehicles offer impressive technology, competitive driving range, and lower prices than comparable competitors. Although tariffs and trade policies continue affecting some regions, global competition is clearly increasing. For Tesla, this means competing not only with traditional automakers, but also with rapidly growing Chinese manufacturers.
Legacy automakers are catching up. Ford, General Motors, Hyundai Motor Group, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen Group, and several others continue improving their EV platforms. Many now offer faster charging, longer driving range, improved software, advanced driver assistance systems, premium interiors, competitive pricing. While Tesla still enjoys advantages in charging infrastructure and software integration, the technology gap has narrowed significantly. Consumers now compare Tesla against dozens of compelling alternatives instead of only a handful. Tesla still has major strengths. Despite increasing competition, declaring Tesla finished would ignore several important advantages. Tesla continues operating some of the world's most efficient EV factories. Its gigafactories in the United States, China, Germany, and Texas allow high-volume production with relatively low manufacturing costs. Tesla also benefits from a globally recognized brand, extensive supercharger infrastructure, strong battery engineering, over-the-air software updates, continuous vehicle improvements, large installed customer base, AI and robotics investments. These strengths continue giving Tesla significant competitive advantages that many rivals are still working to match. Autonomous driving remains a key opportunity. Tesla continues investing heavily in full self-driving, FSD technology, and artificial intelligence. While fully autonomous driving remains under development and subject to regulatory approval, Tesla believes software could become one of its largest long-term businesses. The company also continues developing Optimus, its humanoid robot project. Both initiatives involve substantial technical and commercial uncertainty, but they illustrate Tesla's strategy of expanding beyond vehicle manufacturing alone. Investors are watching vehicle demand closely. One question receiving significant attention is whether Tesla can maintain long-term vehicle sales growth. Global EV demand continues increasing overall, but growth rates have slowed in several regions compared with earlier years. Consumers now have more purchasing options, and higher interest rates in some markets have also affected vehicle affordability. Tesla's future growth will depend on several factors, including launching new products, manufacturing efficiency, battery cost reductions, software revenue, global economic conditions, competition from established and emerging automakers. These factors will likely shape Tesla's performance over the remainder of the decade. Why some analysts remain optimistic. Although Tesla faces greater challenges today, many analysts still believe the company possesses unique long-term strengths. Tesla remains one of the few automakers generating significant profits from electric vehicles while continuing major investments in AI, robotics, energy storage, battery technology, and autonomous driving. Its energy storage business, including Megapack systems, has also become an increasingly important contributor to revenue growth. Rather than relying solely on vehicle sales, Tesla is gradually expanding into multiple technology businesses. Final thoughts. Has Elon Musk's worst nightmare arrived? Not exactly. Tesla is no longer competing in an empty field. The company now faces the strongest competition in its history from both established global automakers and rapidly growing Chinese EV manufacturers. Pricing pressure, shrinking margins, and increasing consumer choice have unquestionably made the market more challenging. However, saying Tesla is in big trouble overstates the current situation. Tesla remains one of the world's leading EV manufacturers, continues to innovate in battery technology, software, artificial intelligence, and energy storage, and retains several competitive advantages that rivals are still working to match. The real story isn't that Tesla is collapsing, it's that the electric vehicle market has matured. Success will increasingly depend on continuous innovation, cost efficiency, product quality, and execution, not simply being first. For Elon Musk and Tesla, the next chapter may prove more difficult than the last, but it could also be the one that ultimately determines whether Tesla remains the industry's benchmark in an increasingly crowded global EV market.